Today, we're bringing you a car that epitomizes stylist Bill Mitchell's designs since he was hired by the General in 1961 to be their new head of design. Cadillac was the sales leader in the luxury market, well ahead of Lincoln and also Imperial from Chrysler. Mitchell and his design team wanted to keep it that way. Our featured 1963 Coupe DeVille belongs to a Phoenix area Cadillac enthusiast who restored this car to honor his father, the previous owner of this stunning motor car. Hear Lou tell us about this wonderful car and his tribute to his father. Now, let's go for a ride.
Hi, I'm Louis Dellera, and I own a 1963 Coupe DeVille, Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Actually, is my dad's car, and he purchased the car in 2011. And when it got delivered to his house in Long Branch, New Jersey, the guy almost dropped the car off the trailer. So he got it started and put it in the driveway, and that's where it sat because it didn't run again. It just didn't run. So I live in Phoenix. My dad lives in New Jersey. I was going back and forth to try and get this car to run with, the limited amount of tools I had. So finally I said to my dad, Dad, let me just get this car to Phoenix. We'll ship it there and I'll take care of the car. He said, okay, fine. Shipped the car to Phoenix, Arizona, and there was something so minor that was wrong with that engine. It was one of the rocker arms ports for the oil to come through was blocked, and it was bending push rods. And that was the problem. It just wasn't getting oil. It was just a pinhole that had a blocked hole. And so the oil couldn't get through, and the top of the engine wasn't getting oil pressure, and so that got resolved, and the car runs absolutely whisper quiet, smooth as glass, and just it's beautiful. So it took a few years to gather up the money to restore the car. So I had it painted and had the interior done. There's no rust on the car. The car was originally from Dallas, Texas. I believe the original owner had it for many years and took very good care of it. Until after he sold it, I could just tell that somebody just beat the heck out of it and put a trailer hitch on it. And most of these cars had trailer hitches because they had the torque and horsepower in their day. Anyway, so I got the car back to Phoenix, and it had some surface rust on it just because the paint was so old. It was original. So I had it media blasted and brought it to a body shop, and it's absolutely a show car now. The paint is absolutely show quality. It has it's a Cadillac. It's got a 390 in it. It has 325 horsepower. Anyway, so the car runs and drives beautiful, and my father is 93 years old. He was down here in May and drove it, and I have pictures of him behind the wheel, and he's very proud of it. It is his car, and I own it now. I said, Dad, let's bring it back to New Jersey so you can enjoy it. And he said, this car is right where it needs to be. So I suppose it's mine now. My dad is, like I said, he's 93. He's just as viable as we are. He still drives and has all his wits. And so we really enjoy the car. He does come down to Phoenix to visit, and we do enjoy the car when he's here. We take it to car shows, and my father enjoys the attention.
Thank you, Lou, for your time so we can all enjoy seeing and experiencing your dad's car with you. And we're sure your dad's heartily approving the wonderful restoration you've accomplished. Not only is the car a breathtaking looker, but you drive and enjoy it often. In our opinion, that's the best way to experience a special interest car. Many people that are now admiring it weren't even born yet when this car was new. Please tell us in the comments what you think of Lou's baby and what memories you have of a similar Cadillac. We post videos of awesome cars and shows every Friday and would appreciate you subscribing if you don't already. Next time, we have a very special Father's Day edition for you. It's a one family-owned 1973 Plymouth Duster that's now in the capable hands of a third-generation family member. It's a great car, but an even better story. Please join us then, and remember, be careful out there.